Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on browsing history through the Amazon app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to turn on browsing history through the Amazon app, first head over to the Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on the U button at the bottom of the page. On the next page, tap on your account, and then scroll all the way down till you get to personalized content. Next, tap on your recently viewed items, and then next tap on manage history at the top of the page. And here you can see I have my browsing history already toggled on. If I want to turn off my browsing history, then I will just toggle it off. So if it's in the off position for your mobile device, toggle it back on, and then your browsing history will then be turned back on. That's what it takes to turn on browsing history through the Amazon app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.